Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out of your OneDrive account in your mobile device. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply try to log out. At the bottom right corner of the screen, right next to photos, you will see a button like this that is called as Me. Simply click on it right now. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options like files available offline, recycle bin and everything. But right now we only want to sign out. So simply click on the last button that is called as sign out. Click on it right now. It's gonna ask for your confirmation whether you actually want to sign out or not. Yes, we do want to sign out, so let's simply hit on OK. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign out of your OneDrive account in your mobile device. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.